So let's continue with the question number 11. Hmm? Yes. The screen visible, Meghna?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's continue. Question 11. I learn more when I can make a model of something. What is your preference for this question? I learn more when I can make a model of something, which means if you are learning about mountains or something like that, you are going to prepare a model and then to learn. Okay. Mark your preference. Is it strongly agree, undecided, disagree, or strongly disagree? Kana? Next one. I understand better when I read instruction. You can see a lot of instructions in your textbooks and all. So if you read the instruction, you can understand the terms or you can understand the complete paragraph easily. Mark your preference. Agree, disagree, like that. Okay. Next one. When I study alone, I remember things better. When you learn things or when you study any subject by alone, then you understand better than a group. Learning alone. Raina, it's very important for you to understand your learning style. Okay, so do it accordingly. Finish. Next one. I learn more when I make something for a class project. You get more information when you do a project or something like that. You get more information about that topic. Mark your preference. This is my preference. So please mark your preference according. Meghna, are you okay? Any problem? As usual, allergy?
Yeah.
Huh? Yes?
Yes.
I can't hear you, Meghna.
Yes, ma'am.
I can't hear you. Fine. No problem. Question number 15. I enjoy learning in class by doing experiments. Doing by experiments. Then, question number 16. I learn better when I make drawings as I study, which means drawing of a diagram. We draw a diagram and then we learn, or some flow charts and all. You draw. So you understand more, or you get the information better than you just read. Sana? Okay. Next one. I learn better in class when the teacher gives a lecture, only the lecture, no PPTs, no other interaction, only the lecture. You understand it better or you learn it better. You get all the information. Strongly agree, undecided, strongly disagree, and disagree. Think and answer. Because finally you are going to score your own chart. Make it fast. Don't waste your time. Yeah. Next one, 18. When I work alone, I learn better. Repeated questions will be there. That's for checking your similarity of your answers. Okay, so mark accordingly. When I work alone, or which means when you work alone, you learn alone, you do alone. That's it. Then you get more information or you understand things better. Next, I understand things better in class when I participate in role play. What is that term? Role play. Reina, are you familiar with that term? Role play.
By having like making drama for the
Yeah,
chapter or something.
something like drama or acting, and acting something in front of a class and all, that is called as role play. So if you learn with the help of this role play and all, you understand things or you get all the information. That's it. I understand things better in class when I participate in role play. Next one, I learn better in class when I listen to someone. Just listen to someone. Listen to your friends, listen to a teacher, then you understand things. Next one, I enjoy working on an assignment with 2 or 3 classmates, working with others, learning with others, doing a project or an assignment with your friends. Reina is doing an experiment with Meghna and Sana. Then you understand things better than along. Then is it true or false? The statement. I enjoy working on an assignment with 2 or 3 classmates. It is your preference.
True.
True. So you love to work with others. Fine. I think it's because of collecting information, right? Huh? Collecting information from all others as a reason? No.
No, I like to
Work with
work.
others. Okay, good, good. Then next one, I prefer to study with others. Similar one. 23, I prefer to study with others. Next one, I learn better by reading than by listening to someone. Important one. I learn better by reading, just by reading, than by listening to someone. Reading yourself than listening to others. Reading the portions by yourself. That's the question. Question number 25, it's also a similar one. I enjoy making something for a class project. Making something for a class project. For an example, any diagrams, any charts, project. Next one. I learn best in class when I participate in related activities. Is it confusing? Meghna?
A little bit.
Meghna? I think some issues with the audio.
Can
Fine.
you hear?
Next one. 4 more questions. We're going to end. 27. In class, I work better when I work alone. Same one. In class, I work better when I work alone. Twenty-eight. I prefer working on project by myself. Myself. By alone. I prefer working on projects by myself. Strongly agree, undecided, disagree, or strongly disagree with this statement. Finish? 29. I learn more by reading textbooks than by listening to lectures. Learn more by reading textbooks. Sana, is this task interesting or boring? Sana?
Interesting. Interesting.
Sana, please check your audio, okay? So 29, I learn more by reading textbook than by listening to lectures. Last one, I prefer to work by myself. Meghna is ready to work in a group. Actually, I love to work myself than in a group. I learn more or get more information when I work alone than with others. Ready? So this is a 5-point scale chart. Okay. And this is a very famous questionnaire by Joy Reid. He's a scientist, Joy Reid. There's a questionnaire by him. Okay. Learning style questionnaire, the perceptual learning style questionnaire by Joy Reid. Okay. You can also use this learning style to assess your friends' learning style or your family members' learning style. Okay. You can use this questionnaire for that. Okay. So now we are going to score your chart. Hmm? So this is a 5-point scale. Okay. Since we have 5 options here, so we call this as a 5-point scale. If there is only 3 preferences, that is agree, disagree, undecided, then it is called as a 3-point scale. Okay. So now this is a 5-point scale. Clear? So write like this. Visual. Give the heading visual. Visual learning style. I already told you that there are 6 types of learning style. If someone asks you what is your learning style, please give this learning style. If you belong to a visual learner or an auditory learner, okay, like that. Kinesthetic and tactile. Okay, I think that's a new term, kinesthetic and tactile. The first one, visual. Ready? So, what is your answer for question number 6? Reina, question number 6. What's your answer?
Agree.
Reina?
Agree.
Agree. So you can write 4. Okay. Which means the strongly agree. The point for strongly agree, that is 5. Agree, that is 4. Undecided, that is 3. And then disagree, 2. Last one, strongly disagree, 1. Okay. Meghna, what is your answer? Question number 6.
Strongly.
Strongly agree, right? So your
Yes.
score is 5. Sana, what about yours?
Agree. Agree.
Agree. So 4. Strongly agree 5. Agree 4. Undecided 3. Then disagree 2. Strongly disagree 1. There is no 0. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next question. Question number 10. Reina. Question number 10.
Undecided.
Undecided. So you can mark 3. Meghna.
Agree.
Meghna.
Agree.
Agree. So what's your score?
4.
4. Actually, I can't hear you. I think it's the board issue. Okay. 10. Sana, what's your answer for 10? Sana, unmute. Yes?
Agree.
Agree. So 4. Next question number 12. Reina, what's your answer for question number 12?
Agree.
So 4. I can hear Reina properly. I don't know why. Next, Sana. Answer for 12.
Agree.
Agree. So 4. Meghna.
Agree.
So 4. So the question number 6, 10, 12, 24, and 29 belongs to the visual learning style category. Okay. That's what this means. Next one. Question number 24. The 4th question in visual learning style. 24. I learn better by reading than by listening to someone. Meghna, what's your answer?
Disagree.
Undecided?
Disagree.
Disagree. Okay. So what's the number for that? Disagree.
2.
2. Mark. Sana, what's your answer? 24.
Strongly agree.
Strongly agree. So you can write 5. Reina?
Agree.
Agree. So 4. So last you are going to write 29. I'm not helping you. 29. I learn more by reading textbook than by listening to lectures. Mark your answer. Just the answer.
Ma'am, undecided 2, no?
Undecided?
2 is the mark.
No, it's 3. It's the middle one, undecided. 3. Meghna, what's your answer? 29.
Undecided.
I need the number. I need the value.
3.
3. So undecided. Sana, what's your number?
4.
4. So that is disagree, right? Then you are going to sum all the values. I
That is
hope you know
agree.
to sum.
That is agree.
Sana?
4 is agree, right?
Yeah, 4 is agree. Strongly agree, that is 5. I'll show you. Like this. Strongly agree, that is 5. Agree, 4. Undecided, 3. Disagree, 2. Strongly disagree, 1. Any doubts, Reina? Just recheck if you want. Meghna, what is your score? Total
30
score of visual learning style.
36.
I can't hear. Little more louder, Meghna. Raise your voice. Ah, I think it's in chat box. Where is it? You can't see. 36. Okay. So multiply by 2. 36 into 2. That is your score.
No,
See?
ma'am. I
Yes.
got 80. Then I multiplied into 2. So total is 36.
Yeah, right. Good. 36. So I think it's out of 25. 6. The more value, the highest value, that is 5. So 6, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Then you can, the last value, that is 25. What is your value, Meghna? Not the 36,
18.
18. Good. Sana. Reina, please switch on the video.
21.
Sorry, Sana.
21.
21. So multiply by 2. 21 into 2. Reina.
42.
Yeah. Reina.
36.
36.
Yeah.
What are the values?
4, 3, 4, 4, 3.
Okay. That is 36, right? Next one. Next, we are going to discuss the auditory learning style. Make it fast. Auditory learning style. Question number 1. Mark your value. Finish, Sana? What's your value?
32.
32. Okay. Reina? Need to
What's the value for disagree?
disagree.
Uh,
What's the value, Meghna?
2.
2? Yeah, it's 2. Reina, it's 2. Disagree, it's 2. Meghna, what's your value for auditory learning style?
Total is 40.
40?
Total.
Fine. So 20 into 2. Reina, Okay, Meghna and Sana. Next one. You can write the group learning style. Group learning style. Make it fast. Few more minutes. Reina, ready? No problem. Take your time. Meghna, what's your answer? Group learning style. 42. I'm guessing your number with your lip movements. I can't hear anything. Sana,
18.
18. That's clear. 18. Right? Just 18. You multiply with 2. Fine, no problem. 18. Okay. Reina, what's your auditory learning style? Value for auditory learning style.
38.
38.
Hmm,
Right?
38.
Okay. Reina?
Ma'am, total score is 38.
Fine, no problem. Next is group for Reina. Do the group learning style. For Meghna and Sana, you can write the tactile learning style. Tactile. 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 Tactile learning style. What does this learning style mean? Tactile. Visual by seeing, auditory by hearing. Group means grouping, group study. Individual means learning by alone or myself. So tactile. What is this?
And
We are touching, right? That is tactile. Touching and learning. That is tactile learning style. Okay, so question number 11. Tactile. Question number 11. Then 14, 16, 22, and 25. That's here. First one, that is 11 for tactile. Reina, what's your score for group learning style? Anytime? Yeah.
I'm undecided 3 right now.
Yes, undecided 3. You're going to use this questionnaire for others. So by heart the values. It's very interesting, right? To find out your learning style or the learning style of your friends. Reina, what happened? Need help, Reina?
It's fine, man. Need some.
Need
I'm,
time? No problem. No
I'm a bit
problem.
slow
No
in
issues.
calculations. And
No issues. Everyone is unique. Take time. Meghna, what's your value for tactile learning style? The final value.
6.
Hmm?
36.
It's 36. Okay. Sana, your value.
38.
38. Clear. 38. That's good. Yeah. Tactile. Reina?
I finished group. Group I finished.
Reina, I can't hear.
Group I finished.
No?
I finished, ma'am.
Yes, what's your value? Value
30.
30, 30, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, fine. Next is tactile learning style. Rena, just mark the questions. Okay. Question number 11, just note that numbers. For tactile learning style, give the heading tactile learning style. Question number 11, 14, 16, 22, and 25. And finally, multiply by 2. Okay. Take your time. So for Meghna and Sana, you are going to do the kinesthetic learning style or kinesthetic learning style. What does this learning style mean? Sana. Sana, is this term familiar?
No, ma'am.
Yes or no?
No,
No. Meghna.
I heard about it.
Meghna. You can use the chat box. Don't write no there. Yes. Just heard about it. Fine. No problem. Kinesthetic learning style. Reina, just a minute. This kinesthetic learning style means learning by using the hands. Now I'm a kinesthetic learner. That's why I'm using these hands. Or learning by walking. That's a kinesthetic learning. Using the whole body, using the hands to express the ideas. That is a kinesthetic learner. Okay. So I'm belong to a kinesthetic learning style. My learning style is that. So mark your values. Kinesthetic learning style. Question number 2, 8, 15, 19, and 26. Reina, now you're doing tactile, right?
Ma'am, I finished.
Yeah, very good. What's your answer? It's fast.
40.
40?
40, 40.
40. So I'm right. I'm right with your answer. I will show you what is your learning style is. I already know your learning style is that. Okay, next. Reina, you can do the kinesthetic learning style. 2, 8, 15, 19, 26. Meghna, value. Final score.
38.
38. I think all your values are above 30, right? It's difficult to understand your learning style. Yeah. Sana,
I'm 38.
38. Okay. Next, individual learning style. Individual learning style. Question number 13, 18, 27, 28, and 30. Learning by alone. Question number 13, when I study alone, I remember things better. Question number 30, I prefer to work by myself. Question number 27, in class, I work better when I work alone. Individual learning style. Meghna.
36.
Again above 30. What's your score?
36.
36. Fine. Sana?
44.
44. Individual learning style. So you are an individual learner? You love to learn
Yes, ma'am.
by
I
yourself?
to learn alone. Like, if I need silence. Like, if silence is not there, I'll easily be distracted. So I study alone.
I can't hear, Sana. So for Meghna and Sana, just mark your major learning preference. If your score between 38 and 50, that is your major learning style. 38 to 50. Meghna, just a minute. Reina, what's your value about kinesthetic learning style?
42.
42. Good. For individual,
I'm just doing my
fine, no problem. Meghna. Meghna and Sana, mark your major learning style. Anything between, any values between 38 to 50, Sana?
Visual.
Visual. Good.
Then kinesthetic.
Okay, kinesthetic. That's it.
No,
Tactile. Tactile also.
and then individual.
And individual. Visual, kinesthetic, tactile, and individual. No problem. Meghna.
Kinesthetic. Group.
I'll
Auditory.
ask you. Visual? No. Okay. Auditory? Yes. So Sana is a visual learner. Meghna is an auditory learner. Clear? Then, what about kinesthetic learning style? Yes. Okay. Tactile? No. But Sana is a tactile learner. That's the difference. Then, last, individual. What about individual, Meghna? No. I think Sana is an individual learner, right? Yeah. So Meghna, what about your group? Group learning style. Yeah. So you are a group learner. So for Meghna, your learning style is auditory learning style and a group learning. Clear, no? So listening in class, enjoying group discussions with your friends. That is a method of yours to learn. You get more information when you learn like this. Okay, repeating the classes. That's it. Then, Sana, you are a visual learner, right? So, how you plan to learn according to your learning style? Visual learner,
Like, I read the text.
reading text, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you can see the numbers or you can see the letters there. So, that is a visual one. Or you can use the PPTs. That's a visual learning. Then, individual learning style, like me. You can work yourself, you can learn yourself, right? So try to avoid group discussions or group study. You are not going to learn in a group. So avoid that. Then, Reina,
Individual, I got 36.
you got
36.
30.
6.
Reina, use the chat box. Can't hear. "36. Fine. So we are going to discuss Reina's value. Any value between 38 and 50? Definitely it's tactile, right? Hmm? Right? So what does this mean, Meghna? She's a tactile learner.
Touch and learning.
Sana, sorry, Meghna, I can't hear. Sana, what does this mean? Reina is a tactile learner. Sana, try. Unmute.
Touch, through touch, she studies.
Through touch.
She learns very fast.
Sana, I can't hear. Reina, what's she saying?
She's on. She's in mute.
Ma'am, through touch, she learns.
Use the chat box. Use chat. So Reina is a tactile learner. So you can learn by how someone can learn by touch. Huh? By writing. That is tactile. Okay. This kinesthetic learning style and tactile learning style, they are same, almost same. Kinesthetic with whole body, the complete body, using the complete body, but tactile only the hands or the fingers. That's touching. Touching the pen, touching the paper. Sana, what's your answer? Nothing in chat box. No problem. Fine. Then next, anything else, Reina? Only tactile between the value 38 to 50.
Kinesthetic.
Kinesthetic, almost same. So learning by walking, that's a method.
I don't walk and learn. I easily get distracted.
Try that.
I have tried. I have tried.
You
Only
tried,
by
right?
writing. I tried.
Yeah. Then is it
But
good for you or any problem?
I easily get distracted
I
by
can't
any
hear.
noise and all. By
Let us
walk,
just use the chat box. I don't know why. Meghna, what about your negligible learning style? 0 to 24. Any learning style between this value, this number? In my case, group learning style is between 0 to 24. I'm not a group learner. That's why my value comes between this value, 0 to 24. Sana, any values between 0 to 24?
Group,
Group, same. That's it. This minor learning style means you can learn. There is no problem by using that learning style. Negligible, it's not good for you. Okay, major means that's your learning style. Clear? So auditory is Meghna, Reina is tactile, Sana is visual. Three different learners here. And I belong to kinesthetic learning. So four different one. Clear? Hmm? So if someone asks what is your learning style, what's your answer? What will be your answer? Hmm? I can't hear anybody. No problem. Clear, no? That's all about our learning style. Reina, what's your negligible learning style? Any learning style between this value 0 to 24? Meghna, any problem with my voice? No, right? No, but I can't hear yours. Mm. Reina, any value between 0 to 24?
no, ma'am.
No. So other belong to the minor learning style. No problem. Clear? Amma, right? Huh? Reina, Reina, what's your feeling now?
I got to know my learning style.
Raina?
I thought I was like a visual learner who learns
Yeah, you
through
thought you are
video.
visual, but it's different, right? It's entirely different. You are a tactile learner. So it's important to write, walk, just try. Okay, you can also refer the tips for your learning style. Just refer in Google the methods to learn for a visual learner or a methods for an auditory learner. You can get a number of techniques, number of tricks to learn. That will definitely help your exam. Okay, right now, try this. Okay. Hmm? I think last, just a minute. So thank you. Thank you all.